This is Gadget Stop 321. In today's video, I am unboxing some pencils that I ordered from JetPens this week. And I've been really excited about this. I broke down and ordered a few pencils that had my eye on for a while. I picked up 3 little mini pencils. And I'm curious to see how they compare to each other. Every time I would see one of these advertised or featured or come across it in a search, I'd always think that it'd be neat to have one of those. So here's one of the pencils that I ordered. I think this is one of them, and I think this probably has the 3 mini pencils. So let me get into this real quick. You can see how tiny they are. I've always been, or when I first got into fountain pens, pocket pens were the thing that caught my attention first and really drew me into it, drew me into the hobby. And there's just something about little miniature stuff that is so enticing. Let's see. Now I'm going to get into this. There we go. All right. Get that out of the way. Okay. First up, this is a nice looking pencil. These are all 3 of these are use number 5 size lead. Let's see. This one is the, not written in English. Oh, I think this one is the, there it is. It's the platinum. So let me see if I can focus on this. And I believe it's just called the Platinum Mini Pencil. Nice clicky mechanism. It's super skinny, but it's not as skinny as I thought it was going to be. It's pleasant enough to hold. Yeah, a pretty solid clip there. And an eraser. That's surprising. I wasn't expecting an eraser. I did look at the descriptions of these, but I couldn't remember if they had an eraser or not. This is I think they called it the gray or gunmetal. I don't know. This one you may not have had a choice in the color. This may have been the only color. And next up, this one is the zebra, I believe. Yep. And this one, let's see, it's the zebra TS3. Yep, zebra TS3. And let's compare the two. The platinum is longer than the zebra, and it feels just a hair larger in diameter, though. But it's noticeable when you're holding it. You don't have as much of a grip on it. This one, yeah, it's just a large enough diameter that you get a little more grip. So just first impressions, I'm liking the platinum better, just the size of it. And this one has a little eraser. Let me see, the clip on this one's quite a bit more flimsy, but I like it. This one was pretty solid, like if you wanted to put it in a planner or something. Let's see. I don't know how well it would do might be a little too stiff, but this one's pretty loose. I don't know. Let's see. The click mechanism is nice. If you know, if it's the smaller the better, the zebra would be your best choice, but so far I'm liking the platinum. Whoa, this one is tiny. I think this is the smallest one yet. This is the Otto. I can't remember what this one's called. I think it may just be, not sure, Otto mini pencil. This is tiny. This is kind of what I was expecting them all to be like. And this one comes with, the Minimo. Otto Minimo. I thought it had a name. And this one, I know you had choices of colors. And I know there was I think it was a blue, a green, a black, and this orange. I'm pretty sure there were 4 colors. And this is tiny. It is, oh man, maybe half the diameter of the zebra and shorter than the zebra. And look at it compared to the platinum. Let me see if I can get this focus. Man, that is tiny. But the nice thing about it is it comes with this card that you can put in the card slot of a purse or a planner and store it that way. Man. And this one does not have an eraser, obviously. Let's see. It says Otto Minimo. Man, that's tiny. It is so tiny it's difficult to operate the click mechanism. Let's see. And the click mechanism is pretty rough. I mean, it feels really grindy. Sometimes, not every time. Oh man. And you can't hold this like a regular pencil. It just, you'll have to hold it with 2 fingers or some type of adjusted grip. On first impressions, oh man, I can't see using this for anything other than maybe a shopping list, and not even a full-on shopping list, maybe just adding something to a shopping list or adding an entry to a planner. I'm kind of surprised by this. I thought this would be the coolest out of all of them, but I'm seeing when you get it in your hand that the smaller it is, the more uncomfortable it is to use. I really like this platinum though. The platinum, I've got a pretty good grip on it. I like that, and I like the color. It's like a gunmetal gray color. All right. Oh, I guess I better hurry up and open this last one. I'll do a full-on review of these. This is a Pilot. Let's see. I'm going to have to cut the end off of it. A Pilot S. What is it? I'll look in a minute. What drew me to this was, I'm not a huge fan of wooden writing utensils. I mean, they're nothing out of the ordinary that draws me to it, but this is the S20, Pilot S20. I liked this red finish, and I just really like this, like a matte nickel finish? Is that maybe what you would call that? It's the same type of finish that is on my Retro 51 Hexamatic. I'm just a big fan of that finish. And let's see. I like the shape of this pencil. Let me get this off the... Oh, this is a nice pencil. The way it, the grip section has kind of a concave shape. It kind of flares out in the middle. I like the shape of the clip. It's got an eraser. I don't anticipate using it very much. I think it's a fairly small eraser. Yeah, and it's got the little thing for clearing lead jams. The lead sleeve here is plastic. There's been, you know, talk about that. There are concerns about that, but I baby my pencils pretty much. The click mechanism feels nice. It's a little bit loose, pushing it back up into the sleeve. It doesn't feel super heavy, and there's not it feels like raw wood. It doesn't feel like there's like a lacquer finish over the top of it. And it wasn't a super expensive pen. I think I paid $23 for it. I like the shape of the clip. Let's see. Just about the right amount of tension, not too flimsy and not too stiff. I like the shape of the cone. I'm looking forward to using these over the next little bit and doing a little more in-depth review. All right, I think I picked up some winners here. If you would like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. And if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up.